Good morning, Prep 4. This video is for Friday's maths lesson this week. We are on week 5 and we're going to be looking today at estimating weights and also ordering items by weight. So when we are looking at how much something weighs, we often measure this in either grams or kilograms. Now there are other units of measurement for weighing such as ounces and things, but it's normally grams and kilograms that we would be looking at certainly in terms of maths lessons. So the question is, a bag of potatoes weighs 1.45 kilograms. A bag of flour weighs 850 grams. Which is heavier? So we have got one unit of measurement in kilograms, one unit of measurement in grams. What we need to do is convert these so they are in the same unit of measurement, then we will know which is heavier. Now we've done this at school by using a place value grid. I'm just seeing that you can see that, on the screen. So I've just very quickly drawn out a place value grid, which you can easily do at home, which you can see we've got thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, decimal Dave in the middle. Remember, decimal Dave never moves, he stays still. Then we have tenths, hundreds and thousands. And when we're looking at converting between grams and kilograms or centimetres, metres, or even just multiplying and dividing by multiples of 10, this can be a really, really easy way to help us. So let's start off with the kilogram weight. The potatoes weighed 1.45 kilograms. So I've got some numbers here and I'm going to put them on my grid. If you've got a whiteboard, I know we'd normally do this with a whiteboard, but I don't have one at home, so I've just done this. But you might recognise this way of learning through the whiteboard as what we'd normally use at school. So I've placed my 1.45 digits onto my place value grid. Now this is in kilograms. I would like to convert this weight into grams. Now I know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, as you can see here. So therefore, in order to convert a weight from kilograms to grams, I need to multiply my number by 1,000. So in multiplying numbers by 1,000, these numbers need to shift. We need the number to get larger. They're going to shift in that direction. And as we're multiplying by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, there are 3 place value holders in 1,000. So therefore we need to jump 3 times in that direction. So 1, 2, 3, I'm going to move it down to the second row. 1, 2, 3, move it down to the second row. 1, 2, 3, move it down to the second row. Now we know that we can't leave any boxes empty next to decimal Daves, so they get filled with the place value holder 0. So 1.45 kilograms is the same, 1.45 kilograms is the same as 1,450 grams, 1,450 grams. Okay, I've converted that from kilograms to grams. Okay, let's now see, and do this on the reverse, how much the flour weighs. So the flour start weight was 850 grams. This time we're converting grams to kilograms. So we do the opposite of what we've just done. We divide by 1,000. We know that our number is getting smaller. Same rules apply. 1, 2, 3, 3 place value holders because we're dividing by 1,000. This time we're going in this direction. The number is getting smaller. So we need to do 3 jumps this way. So 1, 2, 3, move down lower deck. 1, 2, 3, move down lower deck. 1, 2, 3, move down lower deck. Now, in the same way as before, decimal Dave cannot be left alone, okay? We can't have point something, it needs to be 0 point something. So I pop a 0 here. And our end number, our thousandths number is a 0. As you know, there's an infinite number of zeros that go past any number. So as a lazy mathematician, I want as little writing as possible. I can take that away and it's the same. So my answer is 0.85 kilograms. 850 grams is the same as 0.85 kilograms. So I can now compare my numbers. I've got 850 compared with 1,450. I've got 1.45 kilograms compared with 0.85. I can order them now very easily, and I know that the potatoes are heavier. So you're going to be using this slightly in your task for today, as you are going to be looking at ordering weights. So some of them you might find very easy. Some of them you might want to use the method that I have shown you in order to make comparisons. So you're given a series of weights in grams and in kilograms, particularly the last few, and on the hot sheet you've got a mixture of both. So you need to order them from smallest to largest. We have you can mark your own using the answer sheet here. There is a weighing presents, a bit stuck activity for you to have a go at. And to end the lesson, we have a check your understanding questions. Answers are on a different page. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.